This is everything you need to know to ventilate your home on a daily basis. Hi, my name's Emma. There's a few things you can do to make ventilation a part of your daily routine, so let's get into it. You may think opening your doors and windows isn't the way to ventilate your home, especially in winter. But airing your house a few times a day with wide open doors and windows to create a cross draft will quickly replace stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air and even remove moisture from your home. Ventilating your bedroom overnight is also important for better sleep, by maintaining air quality, reducing excess moisture and the risk of mold growth. A good way to keep warm air inside is to ensure your insulation is up to scratch. A few indications to know when to replace your insulation could be fluctuating indoor temperatures. You could also have difficulty keeping your home cool, even with the air conditioning on. Another few indications could be trouble keeping your home warm in winter, higher electricity bills, and water damage in your roof. When showering or using the bath, ensure you turn on or install an extractor fan or shower dome. It's also a good idea to use damp bread. When it's exposed to air, it will absorb excess moisture and gradually dissolve into a saltwater solution. To reduce odours and improve air circulation, plus trap particles from burnt and greasy food, it's a good idea to turn your range hood on at the start of cooking. It's a good idea to clean your range hood regularly to maintain good air quality. And there you have it, the checklist to ensure your home is well ventilated. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.